the audience favourite. Honk is in the arena. Can we hear a honk from the audience? Beautiful, beautiful. It's as if they're flying over now. So I think we're all set, we're all ready for this fight to begin. Garrett's giving me that look that he does when he's ready to fight.
And look at the amount of drivers on this side. This is going to be intense.
So we actually have 5 robots in the arena right now, and 4 pedals in the beginning.
Some of these robots are actors or grabbers or whatever you call it. They're smooth in the top.
And we've just got Honk pecking down on Amazon Prime. And we've just got the answer. Jordan and Van Zandt just blow for blow, hitting each other once. They're chipping away at the paintball. Why is trying to Honk in the back of Honk? Well, Bowser now taking on the Darwin. Bowser going against him and is taking him out of the arena that they're at. Jordan and Sergeant Blind over the other side. So on one side, Bowser smacking the Dolphin, and the Bruce Honk is trying to protect him, but not going to try and wrestle. And now we're seeing Jordan and Spanner also. The comic book is broken out to 2 seconds, and now they're coming back together. Something looks like he's got the lead out. I wonder if that was the active move coming back. The Toronto is also in this match. I think that's from Honk. And you can look at the cross that he's down to. We're at the end now. A couple seconds left.